Hello guys, my name is Dr. Shubham Malhotra. Currently I am doing my internship in Government Medical College, Amritsar. So how to pass plab1 in your first attempt, guys? The resources that I used was plabable and plab keys. I roughly gave around 5 to 6 months of time for my preparation. From March till May, I did my first read of plab keys and plabable question bank, topic wise. And then from June till 21st of July, I did my second read of plab keys, and also second time I did the plabable Q bank again. But during this time, I also gave the first read to plabable gems. Gems are nothing, just a concise form of what you are going to study in plab keys. But I studied gems for the first time here because in the end we have to revise everything again, so gems can solve that purpose for you in the end. But for that to do, you should do gems at least one time before the end. So that's why I did my gems with the second read of plab keys this time. And now then from 22nd of July till 25th of July, I attended 4-day revision course of plabable, which was very helpful for me. On 25th, they took a big mock in which I scored 142, and in that exam the cutoff was 117, so I passed that exam with good marks. From 26th till 8th of August, I did my fourth read of plab keys, but here I only did the important topics. You can see the important topics list on your screen now. So the important topics I did from plab keys during this period, and the rest topics I did from plabable gems. And this is that's why I did my gems first time from June till 21st of July, because I knew that I have to do the gems again. That's why this is the second read of my gems of these less important topics. Then on 9th of August, I did plabable 4-day revision course. The PDF that they gave me, I went through the 4-day revision course PDF because it was not much of a, it was not lengthy, it was just very highly concise and important topics which they covered. So in the end, on 9th of August, I did that. And so guys, about the mocks, I gave around 12 mocks, which is available in the plabable app only, and I did 2 big mocks. I started giving my mocks with my second read, and you have to plan giving your mocks in such a way that you will be giving your last mock I think 3 or 4 days before your real exam. So you have to plan your schedule according to that. In the end, I would like to tell you that plab is very much doable, and plabable, in the real exam the questions were like plabable. But here I want to tell you, if you're using any other resource than plabable, you should do that. You should not confuse yourself. Every resource you can pass plab1, is just you have to stick to that resource. And that would be my suggestion to all of you guys, that you should stick to your strategy. This strategy is just for the beginners or those who want to clear plab1 and they haven't started it yet. But if there is any problem regarding this plab1, you can message me on my Insta and on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.